Hi guys, today I'm back with one multi-tool 16-in-1 from Yonsa. It's really helpful product, I think. What he said here, cool and unique gift for your husband, son, brother, grandpa, friends, Father's Day, birthday and anniversary, birthday, Christmas. Wow. Yeah, anyhow, let's check it out. All right, what you got there? It's with the plier inside, regular plier, wire cutter, hammer Axe, slotted screwdriver, right? Serrated braid, internal hex wrench. We got bottle opener, saw, fishing hook remover, Phillips screwdriver, knife. So it makes it like 16-in-1, right? Okay, let's check it out. You got a belt. You can put it in your at your waist. You can, yeah. It's nice. Oh, you get another safety. It's really heavy. Wow. Ooh, it's heavy. I think it's really handy. There's a clip inside. There's a clip. All right, you can use it as a plier, like this, or as a cutter. Yeah, there's a wire cutter inside. Can you guys see that? Yeah. And here's the other stuff, all of it. Right, wow. Okay. Ooh, it's really sharp. Okay, there's a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you get the knife. So if you just close this one here, I think, yeah, now you get you can, that is why they put this one, because once you see this point, it touching your point of the axe. I think it is better to have it on it. Yeah, now it's really good. So you have I mean, it's like a kind of surviving tool. You can use it in time of, it's not that professional, like, what do you call that, the Swiss knife or something like that, but it works, you know. It really works. I mean, like, it's made good. It's a good quality. You have a wrench there, different kind of wrench. You can put a bottle opener, a hook remover, nail remover also inside. You have there also. Yeah. So this thing, you can remove the scale, fish scale. Yes, normally I use this kind of a serrated edges for the removing the scale from the fish. Yeah, it's quite heavy, you know, but end of the day, it's not, like I said, a professional product, but it does the job. It's really not that bad with the quality. It's a good quality. The camo looks very digi camo, is that it looks very nice. It's kind of a glossy, shiny product, it said. You can, yeah.